Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you a fisherman's rib stitch, but it is worked in a checkerboard pattern. And to knit this stitch in rows you will need to cast on any odd number. And one more thing to mention, that the stitch pattern will be formed on the wrong side. Otherwise, you will need to add one purl row. So I cast it on 11 stitches, any odd number. In the first row, slip the first stitch. We're going to slip it always, it's a selvage stitch, and purl all other stitches across. And purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 2, slip the first stitch. Now knit 1, then make yarn over and right away slip next stitch purlwise. So you make yarn over, or you hold it with your finger, or you just make yarn over and slip next stitch purlwise at the same time. And repeat, knit 1, yarn over, slip, knit 1, yarn over, slip, knit 1, yarn over, slip at the end, because we had an odd number, so we have one extra stitch, knit 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 3, slip the first stitch. Now you see the purl stitch, so when we see the purl stitch, we always slip it together with yarn over. Then you see the slip stitch with yarn over, we are going to knit them together. So slip with yarn over, knit 1, slip, knit 1. So we are knitting ribbon. Slip with yarn over purlwise, knit 1. At the end, slip and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn row number 4, slip the first stitch. So we are going to repeat, knit 1 and slip together with yarn over. Knit 1, slip, knit 1. So we knit together yarn over and the slip stitch of the previous row. At the end, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 5 will be the same as row number 3. Slip the first stitch, so the next stitch is a purl stitch, so we slip it purlwise together with yarn over. Knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1. At the end, slip and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 6 will be the same as row number 4. Slip the first stitch, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip. At the end, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 7 will be the same as row number 3, so we are going to repeat row number 3 now. And purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 8 will be the same as row number 4. Slip the first stitch and then yarn over and the next stitch knit, and then slip the purl stitch together with yarn over. At the end, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Here it is. In case you are lost and do not know how to count the rows, so you can count purl ribs in between, so there should be 3. It means that you have finished 8 rows. So I will show you here. 1, 2, 3. So now it's time to change the pattern. Or for example here, so you find those 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you don't need to count when you repeat rows. Now row number 9, slip the first stitch and purl all stitches. We purl the slip stitch together with yarn over. So purl all stitches across. Great. Now we change the pattern, row number 10. We slip first stitch together with yarn over and then knit 1 and repeat. Slip purlwise together with yarn over, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1. At the end, slip and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 11, slip the first stitch, knit 1, and then the purl stitch, we slip it purlwise together with yarn over and repeat. Knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip. At the end, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 12, slip the first stitch. Now the next stitch is a purl stitch, so we slip it purlwise together with yarn over, then knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 13 will be the same as row number 11. So knit 1 and then slip. Knit 1, slip. Knit 1, slip. Knit 1, slip. Knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 14 will be the same as row number 12. Then row number 15 as row number 11, row number 16 as row number 12. Please go on knitting. And that's what I have. Here is my wrong side. And again, I count 1, 2, 3, 3 bars. It means that I'm going to start the pattern now from the first row. So the first row we will purl all stitches and then knit 1, slip purlwise with yarn over. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. If you want to check the written instructions, you can find it on my blog. Please check the link down. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I wish you all a good day and see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!